So can you teach me all about heat?
Heat is important because it keeps us warm, comfortable and alive. The biggest use of energy in our homes in the UK is for space heating and hot water.
At the moment, most people use gas boilers. The gas is for heating our homes, is a fossil fuel and comes from rock formations underground, usually way out of the sea. The gas is collected by drilling into the earth. Once it has been extracted, it is sent to factories, then to our homes, and the boiler burns the gas to heat water. We also use the gas for cooking.
We use solar panels and heat pumps for heating our home. It is much better for the environment and it is renewable.
Solar heat, air source heat pump, and ground heat are 3 thermal sources that are free. Solar is only available in the day when the sun is out, but ground heat is available all the time, day and night. All thermal sources lead into a battery in the house. The battery heats water or air and sends it through pipes to the rest of the house. Good installations in the wall and the roof keeps the warmth in the winter, and it also helps to keep the house cool in the summer.
The thermal battery is charged at daytime and used when we need it. In the evening, we need hot water and warm rooms.
I like hot showers. Good night.
Good night.